the freaking hell did I do to my Minecraft world? Come on. There's anvils every... Oh, this is my spawn? How do I run? I gotta hide underneath you. Come on. There's anvils above me. Come on, run. Maybe I can make anvils fall on creepers. But these are blown up my creeper anvils. I don't know what the frick I did to my Minecraft world, but I made a change and it's not for the good. Hide under that thing. Oh no! This is horrifying. I think I got it built up. I need to get under something. So constantly placing anvils can stop. So I teleport myself. Squiggly. 11. Squiggly. Oh wait. I did something wrong. I gotta set the time today. And the weather to clear. What is not? Oh, I'll have his anvils. I feel like I just wanna. Alright, this is good. TP at S. Squiggly 11. Squiggly. Alright. It only goes to 10. Not above 10. Which does mean I'm running on anvils. Oh, come on. Good thing this is my spawn. Oh, my fail. You just gotta get covered in lava. Come on. Just run. I don't know what I'm doing with my Minecraft world these days. Good thing this is not my actual build world, and this is just a world where I test out some commands and make some things that are not safe for the world. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure that like button and subscribe to the channel. Wait, I should make it so there's blocks under you. I broke the command back instead of turning off the lever. Yeah, you can just die. I'm not gonna use a sword on you. Alright? In fact, why can't I shoot? Oh yeah. Hey. Shoot. Why can't I? Alright, there's just some problem. Why is keep inventory not on? I just lost my command block. Slash give at s. Command block. Alright, so I'm just gonna make it so that you don't do that thing like blocks appear under us. Now the only thing I need is a lever. Come on. Alright, so far it seems to be working. thing is, you can't go down. You wanted to go down? Nope, not today. But it's actually, you can't make a staircase. Let me just... Come on. I need to find a way to get down. I don't care. Break that freaking block and... Hey, it is a pretty easy way to get down. Alright. I'm gonna turn it on again. Alright, I'm gonna effect that is clear. You know what? Let me just give myself a pickaxe. Can I, yes. Finally. No. Okay, that was a cross for a second. Alright, let me see if I can actually climb these stairs. Nice. Now you know what it's time to. Dude. Don't let me make a... You're just gonna mess up the staircase. You know what? I don't care, whatever. It's still a staircase, and you can still do this. Wow. Go ahead. I remember in the other world I completely destroyed. Not destroyed as much as I destroyed this world. Because, hey, let me just show you the anvil mess. If you would like to see. Well, I did this with a cow. And I called it the diamond cow. The cow would just generate diamonds under him. I'm gonna give myself arrows just for this. Where is he?